of starting a YouTube channel in 2025. This is the best year to do it. With YouTube introducing smarter search, AI-driven recommendation, and massive monetization opportunities, creators have more potential than ever. But here's the catch. Competition is tougher than ever too. That's where Writecream AI steps in, your ultimate YouTube growth partner. In this video, I will show you step by step how to start a YouTube channel, grow it, and even turn it into a full-time career. All with the power of Writecream AI tools. Stick around till the end because I will share you a growth hack that could save you months of trial and error. First, let's talk about why 2025 is the golden era for YouTube creators. YouTube Shorts is dominating mobile attention. Long-form content still brings in loyal fans and ad revenue. AI-driven search means even small creators can rank if you use the right keywords. And the creator economy. It's projected to grow into a $500 billion industry by 2027. In short, you have ever thought about starting a channel? The time is now. Here's how to start your channel the smart way. Pick your niche, whether it's tech, lifestyle, gaming, or education. Go specific. Don't just say fitness. Say 15 minutes home workout for beginners. Create a strong brand identity. A clear channel name, banner, and profile picture. Plan your content calendar. Consistency is everything. Use Writecream's AI YouTube growth tools. This is where the magic begins. Writecream helps you generate SEO optimized video titles that actually ranks. Write click-worthy description with keywords. Create script outlines that keeps viewer engaged. Even generate AI voiceovers if you don't want to be on camera. So even if you are a complete beginner, you don't have to waste weeks figuring out what to post or how to write script. Okay, so now you have started. How do you actually grow? Here's the proven formula of 2025. Hook viewers in the first 3 seconds. Writecream's AI can generate attention-grabbing video intros based on trending hooks in your niche. Double down on shorts plus long-form videos. Shorts for reach, long videos for watch time and revenue. Writecream helps you repurpose your long video into shorts instantly. Optimize for SEO. Most people still underestimate YouTube SEO. Writecream suggests keywords, meta tags, and hashtags automatically, so your videos are discoverable. Now, engagement is everything. Ask viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Writecream even generate community post ideas and comment replies so you can stay connected with your audience. Last but not the least, analytics plus iteration. Look at what works and double down. Use Writecream's content ideas tool to fill in the gaps with what's trending in your niche. If you stay consistent with this formula for 3 to 6 months, you will see serious growth. Now, YouTube in 2025 isn't just about views, it's about building a career. Here's how creators are making it full-time. Ad revenue from watch hours, brand deals with companies in your niche, merch and products, affiliate marketing, membership and Patreon. But remember, it all starts with creating consistent, quality content. That's why tools like Writecream are game changers. They cut your content creation time in half, so you can focus on connecting with your audience instead of burning out. So, if you have been waiting for a sign to start your YouTube channel in 2025, this is it. You don't need fancy equipment, you don't need years of editing skills. All you need is your phone, your idea, and Writecream AI by your side. Click the link in the description to try Writecream for free and start creating your first viral video today. Because remember, the best time to start YouTube was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now.